I greased my pan using this Cake Goop and it came out amazing. Welcome back to my channel. If you have been finding it hard to grease your pan, this is the recipe for you. All you need is an equal amount of butter, vegetable oil and all-purpose flour. Mix it together until there is no lumps and it's of course very smooth. Then store it in an airtight container. You can put it on your countertop for anytime you're about to bake for easy accessibility, and you can also put it in the fridge in case you store it in the fridge and it has adding when you want to use it. You can just slightly heat it up, then you're good to go. This is a very good grease for your baking pan. Watch this video till the end to see how I use it to grease my pan and how my cake came out perfect without sticking at all to the pan.
Losing almost all